Lesson 7, Polynomials, Graphs of Degree 3, Example 7. We have to sketch the polynomial px equals x cubed minus 1. Now to do that, first of all, I'll let px equal 0, so x cubed minus 1 equals 0, x cubed equals 1, x equals 1, so I'll have an intercept here at 1. Okay, the y-intercept obviously is going to be when x equals 0, y equals minus 1, down here at minus 1. And so the cubic curve will come down through here, and we'll have a point of inflection here. It's like the cubic curve's been moved down 1. There we go. Right, in part 2 we have to sketch px equals x outside of x squared minus 1. So what we'll need to do first of all is to factorize that fully. So that's x outside of x minus 1, x plus 1. So the zeros are at 1, 0 and minus 1. Now this is a positive cubic curve, so it'll start from here and it'll come down through here, come back up and go down again like that. Okay, in part 3 we have to sketch this one, x minus x cubed. So we'll need to factorize that first. So we'll have x outside of 1 minus x squared, which is equal to x outside of 1 minus x, 1 plus x. So the zeros are 0, 1 and negative 1. Minus 1 here, 0 and 1. Now this time it's a negative cubic, and so it'll go back the other way. Right, so you're going to have here curve going this way. If you're not sure, you can always put a point in. So we put in 2 in here. Put 2 in there, we're going to have 2 minus 2 cubed, so you're going to get minus 6 down here, so it'll come up through there and down and back up again. Okay, so this one has been factorized for us. That's x plus 1 times x minus 1 all squared. So you're going to have zeros at negative 1 and a double at 1. Let's have a look what this double means. There's a 1 there and a negative 1 here. Right. So what happens is this is a positive cubic, because you're going to have here an x squared when you expand an x. So we'll start here, test it if you like. But when it comes down to this point here, it'll come down through here. It won't pass through, it'll touch there on the double. Come back up. Now you can actually find this point here as well. See here, when x equals 0, this will be 1 times minus 1 squared, which is 1. So it'll just be 1. So it'll pass through here at 1 here. So that's a 1 there as well. So it's going to come back up here, come back up through 1. Okay. And then it'll just go straight through here. So the intercept there is at 1.